Laptop repair made easy. How you? This is a program so you can fix your computer called Laptop Repair Made Easy for HD series. If you want to learn, if you want to learn how to make, fix, repair TVs, repair your laptops, just click on this link and buy it. It's only $27.56. Buy it. It'll help you. It'll teach you how to fix your computer and stuff, your laptop. So this is easy. Laptop repair made easy. I'm going to put this link up on my YouTube. So if you like it, buy it. $27.56. I'm an affiliate with ClickBank.